And with some movie magic, the window's out. So now, I get to show you guys what we need to do. Because the kit comes with a specialty tool to turn out the bad part. So now that it's out, there you go. So that was the issue. And that's what it's supposed to look like. That's why the window popped out of place like that. So it is what it is. We'll re-grease the track so we know everything's good, that there's no issues. So, yeah. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the start of getting it fixed. Thank you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hey guys, so we're back. The track's been greased, and our new part is in with everything taken care of. Sorry, I forgot to video and show you guys after everything was being taken care of. But we'll show you guys the next little bit on the next one.